A year and a half ago, I almost killed myself performing an escape. I drowned and hung myself and was rushed to trauma and was at death's door. This evening, I'll be at death's door again, quite literally. Let's begin. I'm being chained and padlocked to this door by the neck, by the chest, and by the waist. I'll have to use a single lockpick to make my escape. Ladies and gentlemen, judges, you realize this is lethal when you notice that over there is a bucket of sand. It is attached by a rope to a chainsaw. When the escape starts, the sand will leave the bucket will get lighter, and the chainsaw will get heavier, bringing it closer and closer to my face. I have to pick the locks and make my escape before the chainsaw goes straight through the middle of my skull. Ladies and gentlemen, judges, wish me luck. Start the saw, start the sand.
Matt Johnson, are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Simon.
Well, that was very scary, actually, Matt. I did think the noises you were making throughout the act were a bit over the top, though. You know, it made it a little hammy for me. You know, the
Let's see the noises you make when there's a chainsaw heading into your face, Simon.
You're right.
Sophia.
Well, I am so glad that you're okay because I am not okay. I mean, every time you come, it gets worse and worse and worse. Where is this going? It's horrific.
Howie.
You know, he's taught us all, if at first you don't succeed in killing yourself, try again. And yet you failed, and thank God you failed in killing. I can't believe tonight's show started with puppies and children, and we're at this now.
Heidi.
Yeah, I mean, it did not make me feel warm and fuzzy inside, you know? I mean, did you guys like this?
Yes.
You did? Yeah. I don't know why we keep celebrating you trying to kill yourself. Like, it's, I don't know, but I'm so happy nothing happened.
Now, Matt, I gotta ask you